Hello everyone, I'm Debdulal Saha. Currently I'm teaching at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Mohali, India. ICDD PhD Toolbox is one of the attempts to engage with doctoral scholars. In social sciences, we often face difficulties to address complex questions of human behavior and multi-layer social reality through single disciplinary approach. In this video, I'll be discussing on the importance of using interdisciplinary research design. The aim of this module is to show when and how we use interdisciplinary research design, starting from conceptualization till the analysis. I hope you'll be enjoying the video.